Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to pin someone else's tweet on Twitter, on X, and the first step is go to the application of X. And if you want to, for example, if you want to pin this tweet, the only thing you need to do is pick here in the button of retweet, and you need to code that tweet, and after that you need to go to your profile. For example, if we quote that post, the only thing you need to do is go to your profile, and after you quote that tweet, you need to find that tweet. For example, if something that tweet I repost, you need to pick here in these 3 points, and you pick in pin to profile, and that's it. You pin that post in your profile. So remember, you need to quote that post, and after that you need to search that post in your feed, and only if you quote that post, the option of pin into profile is activated in your application. But if you don't quote that that post, if you go to these 3 points, for example, you don't have the option of the pin that post. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.